We're on a break during class. Playing under pressure in class right now because we're talking about cortisol. It's funny because I'm under pressure watching this. Tiwan is opening her gift that her mom sent her. Panera gift card. Look how cute. She really went all out. She outdid herself. This is so fun. We have so much to celebrate today. Potentially 200K and Tiwan's birthday.
I know.
And you got little plates and napkins.
So
it's so cute. Tiwan's mom is the best. Oh. We're 199984. This is crazy. Cute. Now we're so close that I'm gonna be watching. Pulled up and ready to go. This is the decorations that we have for T1's B-Day going on. 21 are signed, her party's on Thursday. We have the streamers. Okay, do you wanna open mine or do you wanna open mine later?
I'll open it now because I don't know.
Okay. Let's do it.
Why'd you give me another gift?
Well, this was something, this is just really little. Just kind of some fun little things.
Oh, cute.
Because you said you wanted one of
I did
those.
say that.
And I love those. And that one was really cool. It was super detailed, like for little lists and stuff.
Wow.
And this is like your good luck necklace because it has a little wishbone on it, you know? So
That's
before
so
your
cute.
test. And then this is kind of fun to fuel your grocery needs. You can do some planning. I'm like checking every 10 seconds. I really have to pee though. Literally have 15 left.
Oh, you went up one.
We're 9 away. This is happening way faster than I thought. It always happens when you least expect it. Now I'm getting so hyped. It's weird because the first 100 is like such a big deal, but then 200 is literally double that. So that is crazy. It's gonna be slow because it's just like a Monday. It's an average day. I feel like people aren't really gonna just like be watching YouTube. Now I'm like, when is it gonna happen? Just waiting patiently. Okay, I'm still 9 away. I'll update you if anything changes. I feel like this is gonna be hard because when I hit 100K, it was just going so fast. This is just a random time and it's gonna be really slow. Every 2 seconds, I'll just be in a different location and I'll be like, oh, we gained one. I'm at 199994.
Oh my god, okay, well I want to be on when you do it.
I have nothing planned. I didn't know that this is gonna happen. Oh my god, I just hit 995. I'm literally 5 away. This is gonna be so weird to see it.
Crazy. Don't get me in here. I look like a potato.
I look like a potato. I wasn't expecting this to happen. I don't know if I'll post this or what I'm gonna do. Oh my god, I got another one. I'm 4 away. I'm shaking now. This is so fun. You're like here with me. The woman who makes this all possible, my #1 motivator. You know, fun fact, my mom is still not subscribed.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I swear to god, if I miss it, I'm gonna cry.
Okay. I'm trying to think of monumental times when I've watched this and when it's been really fun. I hit 1,000, like that was really big. Yeah, 4th of July 2016, I hit 2,000 and I gained 1,000 subscribers. So I like literally doubled my sub count in one day. We were watching the fireworks and I was watching the sub count. I hit 100,000 and I'll link the video up here because you guys can watch it. That was like a super fun, crazy day because I was at work. I hit 100K and I was trying to plan it all so I could watch it but also be at work, so that was fun. 50,000 was when I changed my name from the KG Style to Kiaramadisen, and so I literally was sitting in Macy's, like I had plans to just switch everything, like my profile picture, my usernames on all accounts, like everything was switching over. So Macy's was closing and it was 10 o'clock at night and I'm sitting on the floor in the shoe section trying to switch over everything on my account. That was also very monumental. Maybe I'll come back recording at like when I'm 2 away or something.
Two
Yeah.
away.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just subtly recording because we're at 19998. So here we go, 2 away. Katie Mac's back on the FaceTime. She moved her cart.
Like and subscribe if Kiara's a star.
Oh my goodness. You guys are too kind. I am just your average girl. Your average
gal.
I'm just your average gal. Why do they call it like average Joe? But then what do they call a girl who's just an average?
Joey.
Really? But like that's not a common name. I feel like Joe's a
No.
common name.
They do not call them that.
Oh my god. We're at 19999. Now it's like I have to keep filming because I don't know when it's gonna happen. This looks so weird. The 9s all lined up. Can you imagine hitting 1 million? Watch this take like literally 20 minutes.
What a big day. You hitting 200 in Tay.
Turning 21. I know. It's so fun. It's been like the best Monday of my life. Just go downstairs in the house. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hit it. What? This is so weird to look at. This is actually crazy. I like want to cry.
I'm so proud of you.
Why is this like almost more exciting than 100?
Cause it's 100 more.
Thank you guys. That was just, this is so cool. It just doesn't feel like my life. It's just crazy. You know, we hit it.
I heard. Oh.
It's
Taylor,
so
you look
crazy.
so cute.
I know, doesn't she look so cute?
Yeah.
She's literally glowing. It's her birthday. We just got so much to celebrate. From smiling? It's just that good of a day. Where are we going to lunch, T1? We need to go celebrate. Well, what's your heart desiring for your birthday?
I have no idea.
I curled my hair because I was bored and I was feeling in a celebratory mood, and we were still FaceTiming Katie. So if you know me in real life and have supported me and are texting me, I appreciate it because that was really cute to get like texts. So thank you. Oh, where should we go? Seriously, because I'm hungry and I'm like still shaking because all I've had is coffee today. And we also have coupons. We have the pita pit. I don't know if that's really what we're feeling. But...
Or do we go to Sizzle Pie and get 3 slices of pizza?
Oh, we could also do that. We have so many options. Wow.
I also have a Panera gift card.
Oh my god, and we have Laughing Planet. Okay, pastinis. That's what I was thinking. Let's go pastini. Buy one entree, get one free. We got our food and we're very excited. What'd you get?
Butternut squash ravioli.
She got exactly what she wanted, and I got this new pasta, pesto, spaghetti. She is.
I'm gonna eat this
diving in. Good, because I'm starving. Let's eat. T1 found cute stuff at Lululemon for her birthday. She got this scrunchie and the top. T1 and I just did a little bit of shopping. Well, T1 did the shopping.
I did the shopping.
It's your birthday. I'm on my streak of no buying anything except for food items, so I'm not allowed to buy makeup or clothes or anything unnecessary. And I just walked through 3 stores and completed that mission, so I'm really proud of myself. Yeah, now we're probably gonna go to class, maybe? I feel like it's about time. Yeah, I think we have to. This one's mandatory, so.
Walk me in the morning sun, tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. Ooh.
Are you kidding?
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away. Step up and say,
I needed Kiara.
hold on to what is real, the love you feel. Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night